Creating a compelling case study on Behance is an excellent way to showcase your design process and project outcomes. Here's how to build an effective case study. Log into Behance. Start by visiting the Behance website and logging into your account. Create a new project. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Project. This opens the project editor. Craft a strong title and cover image. Use a descriptive title that captures the essence of your project. Upload an engaging cover image that will attract viewers. Outline the problem. Begin your case study by clearly defining the problem or challenge that prompted the project. Explain why it was significant. Explain your process. Detail your design process, including research, brainstorming, sketches, and iterations. Use visuals such as screenshots or mockups to illustrate each phase. Showcase the final product. Include high-quality images or videos of the final design, highlighting key features and functionality. Add results and impact. Discuss the outcomes of the project. Include metrics or feedback to demonstrate its success. Conclude with reflections. Share what you learned from the project and how it influenced your future work. Publish. Once satisfied with your case study, click Publish to make it live.